In this learning video, we're going to learn how to do a Zoom session. It's a simple video, simply aimed at helping you understand how to share and not share your screens. Also, we'll show you how to start and stop video and how to access a Zoom session. So a great thing to do is open up your Safari browser, go to zoom.us, and in this particular case, I'm going to join somebody else's meeting. I'm not going to initiate my own meeting, because if you're an initiator of a meeting, that's a different learning video. In this learning video, you're simply a participant already established. So I've asked one of my good friends, who's in India, to help start this video. So we had to yell, "Hello, start the video." So he started the video, he sent me a code. And with that, I'm going to join the meeting. And see, it looks for meeting ID or personal link. So he gave me a number, and I'm going to paste his number in here. I think it's probably a phone number. It's pretty cool. And I'm going to hit join. Now, it goes through, and it's going to say, do you allow this page open in Zoom? You must say allow. If you say cancel, it's not going to function correctly. Then once you do this, you go through and you initiate. Now you have a choice. You can go through computer audio or phone call. And make sure if the other people are Zooming next to you that you keep your mics on mute as much as possible. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to get background noise. So in this particular case, I'm going to join by computer audio. Now here, you heard a little bit of background noise. That was a loudspeaker that was going between here and India and everything. Really loud speaker. But the good thing is, in this learning video, you see that we're showing the screen. Now, I am not the leader or host here. I'm just a participant. So if I want to share my screen, I can simply hit the share screen button. And then I get to pick which screen I want. I like to share my desktop, because if you don't share your desktop and you try to be strategic about it and click one of these other icons, like whiteboard, iPhone pad with cable, unless you have all this and you're really good at this and you have the cables for the iPhone and to project on the iPhone, don't do that. Focus strictly on the desktop is the best way of doing it. Then you hit on the right side, share screen. And you have a screen, and then the user should be able to see a screen. What we're going to do is give the visual thumbs up to the user across the street there, to India, who nodded back to us saying that they can, in fact, see our screen. The other thing we could do is go meeting, and we can say stop. Stop share. Now, at this point, nobody is sharing anybody's screen. Now let's wait for Suraj, who's in India, is going to share his screen with us. Now he's the host in this event. He'll share the screen with us. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. We see the Manchester United seal right there. So that worked out really well. So the Manchester United seal there, they have a little camera there. Suraj is not broadcasting himself. So we have to say, hey, can't see the picture. Suraj is going to see that video. He's going to turn on his video so he can see himself on there. And then give him a moment. He'll turn on the video. Ah, see, he saw it. So sometimes signals, things like that I can't see, are good ways of going back and forth. Now, you can't hit a share, as you can tell, when somebody else is sharing. Hence, you get this message. So you got to be making a host. So we'll ask Suraj, make me host. And then he saw that in India, and he went ahead and made us host. And I think something happened. I can invite people. So let's go share. Stop other user screen sharing. Yes, we want to continue. Now, let's close this for a second. Oh, we haven't screen shared anything yet. Oh, here we're back to this menu. Perfect. We can go back to the share menu. I also want to get to, let me escape, to the meeting and start share, which is the Command S button or Control S button in Windows, start share. Then it comes up back to the same screen. So you have a couple options and methods to get there. Now Suraj can see ours, so we navigate different panes. We look at great places to go and eat, or we research case studies, and Suraj can see what kind of work we're doing on the Society for Human Resource Management, academic initiatives, and things like that. So this is a good method to show people how it works. This concludes this learning video.